12. Congratulations for making it to the top 5. A gentle reminder, you have 45 seconds to answer the question from Miss Emma Tiglao. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, Mutya number 12, take it away.
Hello, Marielle. How are you?
A little bit nervous, ma'am.
Shake it off. Ayan. Kailangan ilabas mo yan. Ilabas mo yung kaba. Medyo nalabas mo na ba, Marielle? Nakahinga ka na ba?
Onti.
Like the calabaza that grows strong and nourishes many, how do you plan to grow as an individual who will nourish the dreams of the people of Umingan?
In Tagalog daw po, Miss Emma. Meron po ba tayong version in Tagalog?
Sige, kakayanin natin. Di ba ang kalabasa, pag tumubo yan, talaga namang strong yan, di ba? Tapos maraming bitamina yan. Isa na sa bitamina yan, pampaganda ng eyesight natin. So as an individual, paano ka mag-grow? Di ba? Para matulungan mo ang mga people dito sa Umingan na ma-achieve ang kanilang mga pangarap. Paano mo sila tutulungan?
For me, I want to help other people in Umingan to grow by their by themselves, because I know it started by all yourself, and that's what I think. Tatagalog ko na lang. Ulit yun. Para sa akin po, alam naman po natin, tama na. Ayun. Oh, eto na, last na to. Yun na yun, ayun ko na. Oh, sige po.
I'm sorry, candidate number 12. 45 seconds is now up. Parang gusto ko yata niyang bumili pa ng oras. Uy, candidate number 12. Oh my
I
goodness.
super love her personality. Palakpakan naman natin, Mutya number 12.